Up, y'all? We are back with another video, and today I'm gonna take y'all behind the scenes of the day in the life of an entrepreneur. I want to vlog and I want to practice on making my videos better. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx. I want to redecorate my bathroom a little bit, and then I need to ship off some packages, some gifts from my sisters and my mom that I got from China. I'm gonna go to my shop, style some wigs. I also need to go to Walgreens to get some supplies. So I'm already dressed. I'm probably gonna change my top. Let's get started. Okay, so I feel like this looks a lot better. Put my jewelry on. I'm gonna wear some earrings. I got these earrings while I was in China. Okay, and I got my protein. We're trying to get thick. So my plans changed and I have a last minute client. So I'm about to braid her hair. It should take me like 2 hours. And then last minute client done. So now I'm about to style these wigs. Let me show y'all. So these two need styling. I need to do the closure on this one. I need to style this one, and then I need to put this on a sewing machine so that I can make it glueless. That iPhone camera be hitting. It's just a vibe in here. Like, look. I was supposed to go to TJ Maxx, but I ended up at Nike. I am about to clean up. Yeah, see, I got my purse. It's time to go. And we'll finish this vlog off tomorrow. Okay, we are back. Yesterday, I had to tap out. Your girl was tired, and I'm trying to go to the gym 5 days a week. Usually I do 3, but I'm doing 5 now. It's kicking my ass. So today is Thursday. We back on that content sheet. Today I have a client at 12. Maybe another client later. She didn't book her appointment, so I'm not sure. And then I'm gonna style some more wigs and make sure that I have wigs available, ready to wear. Okay. Fit for today. Okay, so I am finished with my first client. It took me 2 hours to do her hair. It was a regular wig install and I got paid $100. And then what was I gonna say? Folks is trying to scam me and I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. Look at this. High risk for fraud. And I'm gonna cancel the order because why is you trying to play with me like that? I'm not that desperate for money. Like, I need money. I got bills to pay and everything like that. My business is very expensive. But I'm not that desperate for money to be a fool. First, my website is telling me it's high risk for fraud. And then I can verify your ID to see if your name matches the card that you used on file. Next.
I just put in my name. For Susan?
No, I had to cancel the order.
She said she has to cancel it. What?
Because I sent the verify ID and it didn't verify the ID.
It said it didn't verify the ID. Where do you send it to?
To the email that was on the order.
To the email that was on the order?
I don't remember the email name, but everything, if it was a text message, it would have sent to the text message.
Okay. Or check your text message too. Okay. She's gonna figure it out.
Okay. If you want, you can come pay cash.
Okay, she said I can pay cash too.
But first, she came in and she was like, I'm here to pick up an order for Kaylin or Bree. I don't know who that is. She had somebody else, whoever had somebody else come pick up their wig. Two, then to come back in on the phone talking about, oh, it's for Susan. Be fucking for real. I got the police after me because if I gotta fight, then I'ma fight. If you are in the hair industry or any type of business where your prices are a little bit, like my wigs are like $400+. No matter what it may seem like I got, I don't wanna lose nothing. You know what I'm saying? Over something so petty. So make sure you set your business up properly. I use Real ID Check through my Shopify website. Of course, it's a learning process and I'm about to order me a camera so I can put a camera in my store just for my safety, my client safety, my business safety. I was ready for whatever probably would have went down, who knows? You know, some people could be carrying a gun, they got that thing on them. Entrepreneur life. I did not expect to be recording this.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says go, baby. At last to my body, so.
This wig, I didn't like how the curls came out, so I'm gonna redo them and post this on the website. Okay, so I already started cutting the wig. I'm gonna put it on the mannequin and finish cutting it just so it can have a perfect face frame.
Wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So the mannequin head sizes are really small, Majority of my wigs are one size fits all. They come with adjustable straps and bands on the inside. But the mannequins are just really super small. So sometimes I have to adjust the strap extra tight to make sure it fits.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple right, watch his ass get bigger. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, match that fake ass hoe. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoes. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your Miami and I can't run my skate up. Tired ass hoes in my page tryna track up. Brand new chain, city girls going platinum. I keep a baby.
Okay, we're done. Okay, y'all. So let's